Hi, I'm Charles Duncan Waterman, and I'm just loving Ajax. Today, I have the opportunity to host an amazing open house here at number 6 McHugh, which is just up at Roslyn and Salem area. This is an amazing new community. Finished up around 2013, this neighborhood, so the homes are still in pristine condition. That includes number 6 McHugh. Check this out. I'm just going to give you a quick little run through, but today the open house is from 11 until 6 p.m. So we'll be here just taking you through. It's a little bit dark right now. I'm just getting set up, right? But here, listen, check this out. I'm just going to give you a quick little sneak peek of this property. Gorgeous open main floor plan down in the kitchen and living room. Check this out, though. Hey, look at this. Great little fireplace action. I tell you, there's so many amazing features of this beautiful 4-bedroom home here at number 6 McHugh in Ajax. So listen, if you're in the area, drop by and give us a shout, okay? Charles Duncan Waterman, 416-565-1529, or visit my website at cdwaterman.com. Looking forward to seeing you today from 11 till 6 p.m., believe it or not. Okay, peace.